Hello everybody, my name is John, welcome to my channel. We are doing a quick series on the basics of RC cars. The reason being that I've been on a few forums, been reading comments and whatnot, and there seems to be a lot of people that are actually quite afraid of touching these cars, or any RC cars for that matter, due to their complex nature. Or it seems what they think is a complex nature. So anyway, in this video we're going to be talking about wheels, wheel nuts specifically. Now I know there's a lot of you out there that are way beyond this, but there are some out there that will find these videos useful. So let's get on. Firstly, you get that little tool in the pack to do your wheel nuts tightened up and undo them. They are useless, it's made of plastic and it doesn't do a very good job. Now, if you see on my car here, I have the originals and I have the ones that I put on as a replacement. Now, the reason for that is very simple. The originals fall off after a certain amount of time. We have had a wheel come flying off at one point and we couldn't find the nut. It doesn't matter, we wouldn't have used the nut again anyway. So we have purchased these things. I can't remember what they're called. M50? I don't know. I will double check and obviously put it in the video as I'm editing it. So, I want to show you how simple it is. The reason why I say people are scared is because, like, somebody took one of these off and the little pin fell out and they're like, well, where does the little pin go and whatnot? So I wanted to show everybody. So, it is a 5.5 millimeter nut to come off. That is off. Now, I would suggest using a metal washer to put it back on, okay? But I don't have any, so I'm going to be using these. But for now, let's just take the wheel off, turn it upside down. You've got this little nut here, okay? The little nut is what obviously helps the wheel turn. If you see I turn the other wheel, it's turning. And that is thanks to a little pin hidden there. If you see, that little pin goes in that little locking nut there, not locking nut but nut, and that's what stops this drive shaft from going through the bearings. So all you need to do is manage to pick the little pin up without dropping it on the ground. Make sure this is in focus. There we go. There's the little hole there. Put this in, line up that, and put it on. Okay, if you don't have access to that hole, it's because the drive shaft is a little bit too far in. Just pull this out and then you'll see the hole again. Then all you do is, obviously in the actual wheel itself, you have the shape of the nut there, line that up, that's important. We'll sit down again. Put your little metal washer on. Your new nut. Make sure you line it up finger tight first, because there's a lot of people that just put it on a little bit, it's not on correctly, and then they try and tighten it up and then start chewing everything up. Hold the tyre. Tightening it up, you'll feel the resistance. There you go. Okay, if your wheel's feeling a bit wonky, tighten it up a little bit. That's simple. So that's wheel nuts. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you like to subscribe, do so as well. And obviously hit that notification bell. We are going to be doing, I believe, between 1 and 5 videos on this very basic videos on the 144001 or any RC car. So please check out the others in the future. Have a great day everybody, take care, bye bye.